So hey guys, I'm Julie's the Footcare nurse. So I'm just going to show you some of the disposable tools I use. I just actually got it today. I ordered it yesterday, so that's amazing. So this is one thing I'll be using for the face, the mask. So it's a procedure mask. So what it is like this. So it kind of helps you. The thing is, I could only use it for like if I'm using, if the toners is not like a lot of fungus, then I could use this because the mask is just light, right? It's just a light mask. One thing I like, and then you could just kind of fix the nose. You have to make it kind of tight, right? Because you have to. The thing that I like with this is that it's just sheer. I don't know if it's like, if I'm doing heavy, like a heavy toenail where there's a lot of line, this is not like the safest, but I would have to use my discretion when I could use it. This one, of course, is the one I'm gonna use, right? Like this one you have to use the N95 mask. It's really the powerful mask. You had to cover yourself. You really had to cover yourself. But I'm not gonna put it on right now, but it's really cover me really nicely, which is good. So that's come today. Of course all these things is disposable, guys, so I'm telling you, it's because I don't have an autoclave. So if I don't have an autoclave, then that's how it is. So that's how it is here. Then this is the scalpel. So the scalpel itself, it's actually really good when you're taking out callus and corn. It has a blade. So how I do when I use them doing the procedure, I put one out. If I use it, once it's sealed in the package, if I use it itself, then if I don't use it, then of course it's sealed, right? So there's no contamination there. But I always wipe down it with a medical disinfectant wipe down anyway. All right, but everything is reusable. So once you use it once, you just have to toss it out. So this is some of my shoes. This is because sometimes when I go in do the procedure, I'd have to kind of like take out my I have to take out my shoes, right? It's polite. And then so this is your feet. So this is, you just put it over your socks, right? To kind of get a picture. So yeah. And again, is one time you use it, all is disposable. All right, so next, the big thing here is your nippers. So this is my second set, and I started in May, like I said to you guys. So this is my second set. So things are going good, but the only thing, you can only use it one time. You can use it 2 or 3 times. So every client I go, then you have to use it. Depends on the nail. If the nail is very tiny, then you could use the nail clipper. But again, if you don't have a disposable one, then that would be your best bet, right? To use this. And again, all this go in the shop after. One thing I want to say, so this, it comes in a box like this, and everything, once I've done, I toss it out. So when I go for a procedure, I usually have a hair bonnet to cover my head as well. There's a lot of dust. And then you put on your apron. So let me just show you guys. So I have a black one which I use. You could use any color, it doesn't really matter anyway. But I'm just gonna put it on to kind of show you what I look like when I do my procedure. So I guess you could put it on any side, right? So put it on. You tie it on like this. This is an apron, right? So you tie it on. I could make, of course, fabric apron, but I think the disposable is fine. It's easy to actually just wipe it off. Yeah. So this is one. Probably I could probably adjust that if I want, right? Yeah, I think so. Maybe I'll do that. And then I have so this is what I like, because I could put it really high up to kind of cover me. You know what I mean? Yeah. So cover you. Yeah. So that's pretty much how it is when I go for a procedure. So imagine I go for my procedure, I am this way, then I have my hair bonnet, then I have my nippers ready for the show. All right, so this is Footcare Nursing with Jaleese. We are located in Brampton, Ontario. You could book an appointment today and we'll come mobily to you and do the best for your loved one's feet. Again, like and subscribe to this channel.